My name's Nick. Captain Board down there. They are getting ready for the sound check party. How many of you guys can take a guess as to what they're doing right now?
Costumes!
Getting changed. That would be correct. You are smarter than a 5th grader. Yes, you are a 5th grader. Who's a 5th grader here tonight? She's definitely a 5th grader. Well, that's great. Glad to hear you guys are here. I'll take that guitar. Everybody say hello to our band. They look completely ridiculous. It's not that I didn't get a costume, it's just that I refused to put one on. So, just trying to be perfectly comfortable in my own skin. I think that's important, don't you? Everybody say hello to, I think that's Joe. What's on your face? What's up? And I presume that that's Kevin.